Okay, Chanda, we start.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
okay, because I think they are not joining.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so last weekend, what we have seen, the Deepa? Hello.
Yeah, last time it was web table.
Yeah, very people. So I have given you assignment, correct?
Yeah. I did
So,
this time.
oh, great,
Mm-hmm.
great.
Yeah, I ran it and it went fine.
Okay, it's working fine, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, great.
Thank you.
Yeah, at least see in this case, practice needed for this one. Otherwise we forget everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. So today, the Chandra will see how to find out the length. Okay.
Yeah.
Like for example, if I open the Amazon website, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is one code which is very helpful for you in testing purpose. So I just go and I open this website here. Okay. See, so website get open here, correct?
Yeah.
Now if you go down here, you can see here some table is there, correct? Like this table in the sense like some columns you can see here, get to know us,
Yeah.
connect with us,
Mm.
make money with us, correct? So like the
Yeah.
scenario is like that. If you see carefully, so here we visit to amazon.in, okay,
Mm. Mm.
and what we are doing, we are checking out that in a website
Yeah.
books is there or not. Like if
Mm.
I going to click this href,
Yeah.
if I click this one click, so I want to check it out whether that url books is there or not. So I'm just using url. This
Mm.
cy.url means what? It showing as the current URL. Dot should include book. First test case.
Okay.
Okay. And in the second one, we can just check it out. The below ingress line 2 should be visible.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I'll let you know what is this one. Okay. And
Yeah.
in that, see, we are chaining it. Can you see should assertion is there? Will be visible. Again,
Mm.
I want to use should. So instead of should, you can use and.
Yeah.
Contain, select your address and have length 1. Okay. Now
Yeah.
we go down in the footer and we're checking out we have 4 length. Okay. And in that footer, if href is footer is given, so it should have 14 length. So let me run this one so you can get clear picture what I'm want to say exactly.
Mm.
So I'm running it. Strange. So you are into this one. Okay, so let me choose one. Okay. Now I click the book. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let me check what happened now. Okay, now they changed to 13 only, so I have to change. This is very dynamic, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so they changed to 30 now. Previously it was 14 elements were there. So let me run once again.
The length means it's the number of characters or.
No, no, no. I'll let you know exactly what is there.
Mm-hmm.
First
Yeah.
it get run, yeah. Now it run, okay, successfully.
Mm-hmm.
So what happens here? First of all, we will go to this session, you know. See, first one is shows that this one is Amazon website. In this website,
Mm. Yeah.
books is there. Can you see these books?
Yeah.
So the first scenario is that I have to check it out whether that in my URL book is written or not.
Mm.
So it is written
Okay.
book. Yeah, so it gets success here. Can you see this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now in the second one, this one, you know,
Mm-hmm.
can you see this one is selected get select your address get selected here.
Mm.
This is the locator for this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it should get visible. Like the second test scenario is like that. First one is to check whether the
Oh, okay.
in URL books available books is there or not. The book word is there or not.
Hmm.
And in the second scenario, I want to check whether this select your address is displaying or not.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Now this one is the select your address. Can you see select your address?
Hmm.
Okay. Now this one first assertion is saying that this select your address is visible. This
Yeah.
elements is visible for this locator, and I'm using here and. Can you see this and?
Hmm.
This one is for first visible and. Instead of should I have written and.
Yeah.
Contain select your address means that address should contain select your address. So yeah, select your address is getting displayed here.
Hmm.
First one is the locator should get displayed. Second test scenario is like that. This select your address should get displayed. It get passed here. Okay.
Yeah.
And the third one, if you see carefully, its length is one only length. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
This is
One
called
means.
length. Length.
Yeah.
See, in assertion we would have length one.
Yeah.
Length means, like for example, for instance, like this is your one box. Okay. So if you right click here, so you can see only select your address is written here. So
Hmm.
it says that its length is one. Length is it's a length actually, you know.
Okay, but there are a lot of characters, right? How come it is one?
Yeah, exactly. See, if I gonna see, for example, if I take you this Cypress IO.
I think Mona is waiting to join.
Okay, she's saying, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Hey, hi, Mona.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. It's long. You
I,
haven't been. Yeah.
I had a problem with my laptop, so I wasn't able to join.
Okay, okay. So, did you watch my video?
I watch not all the videos, but I try to watch the first video.
Okay,
But
okay, okay.
it's clear. So it's clear.
Yeah. So, see, Mona, like, you know, if you want, you can watch that video again.
Hmm.
Okay. And if you find that some doubt or something you are understanding it, so let me know. We'll
Okay,
clear it out.
thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Because almost you are joining like after 2 or 3, might be you miss 4 to 5 lectures, correct, Chandra?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
it. But it's not a problem. The videos are clear.
Okay. Sure. Sure. Okay. So now today, what we are seeing different couple of scenario in Cypress, like how to find out the length and how
Okay,
to find out the current URL contents. You know.
okay.
So yeah. So now I'm explaining like how what is length here. You know. In one scenario, I'm using should have length 4, should have length 5. So exactly what length means. Okay.
Number of elements
Number of
for
elements.
array.
Exactly.
One.
Exactly.
Ah,
Exactly.
mm.
Yeah. Same thing I am explaining to Chandra. Chandra, see
Okay.
here. Here you can see one div.
Yeah.
This one is the ending of div, correct? And
Yeah.
this is your paragraph.
Yeah.
So you can see here the length of this div is 3. 1, 2, and 3. Number of
Mm-hmm.
elements.
Okay.
So in that way, you can use expect to have length 3 here. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, same here. If I go to my website here, that Amazon one. Now you can see here.
Mm.
Where is that one? Let me. Yeah. Now in this website, this select your address. So what would be the length of this address? Yes, Chandra.
Um, should be length one.
One. Why one? See, this one is your div.
Yeah.
Okay, and that div you can see that one. So it's a
Mm.
one length. Got it?
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's clear now, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why we have taken first scenario like should be visible. Yeah, select your address is visible. Mona, this is located for select your address. Okay, so we are checking out.
Okay.
Yeah. Second one, yeah. First scenario, Mona, see. First scenario, what happened? We use this href. In that, books is getting displayed. So my scenario is like that. We have to
Mm.
find out whether that current URL books is written or not. The book word is getting displayed or not. So I'm using this cy.url. So this dot URL means it's showing
Um,
your current URL.
Mm.
yeah, and the URL, the cy dot get that URL. Did you took from expect and inspect and copy href?
No, that's URL directly saying that you are using current URL. No need to take the XPath of URL.
What is given inside that href?
In that href, this website is given.
Yeah, but how did you which link you have given there?
Books, like you see, na?
The best seller. Oh, you gave the direct URL there.
Yes, I'm giving that
Bestseller.
href books.
Okay,
Yeah.
bestseller.
For example, I'm giving direct href URL. Okay, in that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. And this is the content that element should have content like select your address. So select your address is getting
Mm.
displayed here. Can you see?
Mm.
And third one is and have length one. So yeah, it's one length only. So
Only
this,
one element.
yeah, only
Mm.
one element, correct. So this assertion is for this element. This is all three assertion for this one element. Got it? Visible, select your address and have length one. Got it. Now going back to next one, this now folder link. Can you see this one?
Mm.
So see when I'm clicking this locator, I can see the four column. Can you see? Four column
Yes.
get selected here. One, two, three, and four. Okay.
Mm.
Now, Chandra, tell me how many length are there for this elements?
Three,
Why three?
because
What
there are three elements
what
in
do you
that
say,
div.
Mona?
For
Hmm?
for
Inside it,
elements.
Yeah, Mona, tell me.
For elements.
Four elements now. One, two, three, four.
Yes.
where is four? Oh, okay, yeah, four.
You are confusing Chandra, correct? How to find out the length?
I got. We need to check the div and how many elements come inside the div, right?
Exactly, exactly. See, if I
Yeah, I
am
got it.
if I am selecting particular locator,
Hmm.
so how many elements get selected here? So this
Yeah.
is your length.
Mm.
In a previous example, when I selecting this locator, this one.
Mm.
So if you see carefully, only one element gets selected here.
Yeah.
So this is my one element I am having for this locator.
Mm. Okay.
Similarly, if I go and I clicking some locator here, so if you see carefully,
Mm.
four elements get selected here. So it says that
Okay.
it's a four elements.
Yeah.
You can say four length. So now I am selecting here and I am putting one assertion here to have length 4. So it's get passed. Okay. Now I am again choosing another locator inside these locators. Okay. Like if I click this locator, this one. Okay. Now inside this now footer locator, I am clicking this href footer here. Can you
Mm-hmm.
see?
Yeah.
This one is child locators.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what I am doing, I am just searching like in this column. This columns containing links. href means links, correct?
Mm.
Mm.
So I am just checking out whether these links contain footer or not, or like how many elements having the href having the footer word.
Yes.
Got
It's
it?
the syntax of the locator.
E-
href étoile equal footer. So we any element that its href contains footer.
Yeah, in this case, what happened? Mona, what I did. See, in this
Mm.
case, you see carefully here. I use the
Mm.
parent one locator.
Ah, okay.
First, I selected
Locator.
all the columns like I have selected for this one length
Mm.
4.
Okay.
Inside
Just in the line 18.
18.
The
Yeah, this one I'm using find. Find is what
okay.
I am going. This one is my parent one.
Mm. And find inside this parent element.
Exactly. In this
Mm.
parent element, find is always followed by
Yes.
get, which is go inside this parent one and checking
Yes.
out in this how many href are there having footer word.
And from where you get this locator?
Yeah, I get this locator from here. Yeah, if you right click
Mm.
here. Okay, I just you do one thing. You just click right here.
Mm.
Can you see this one? If you go up,
Yes. Footer.
go up,
Right.
you will get some locator. Like this one. Go up.
Mm.
See this one is for all. This one is for four. Like this, you can get all the locators.
Mm.
This is for get to know us. This one is
Mm.
first column. Like this, you can get all these things.
Okay.
Yeah, once again, I'll show you four column. Let me check you. I'll just check it out. This one. So this one is if you see. Can you see? If you
Mm.
count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Mm.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is there. So this basically uh, this having footer link having four length, and inside
Mm.
this we are finding out footer is there or not, and how many elements are there having footer is given. So it's 13 is there.
Mm. Okay.
Got it?
Okay, okay.
So this was a simple scenario where you have to find
Mm,
out the footer in your elements. Okay, like if instead of footer you can find out as per your test cases, like how to find out like href containing Facebook or like
mm.
your account, different thing. So I'll just take one example of footer here.
Okay, okay,
Got it?
okay, clear.
Any doubt here in this case? Please ask me. Feel free to ask me.
I have a question not about this case, on general. When you do your testing in a real project, you use a database, a special database for test, or we work
Uh,
in the
Yeah,
mm,
actually, you know what happened in my case? Like the manual tester given us some test cases,
eh?
and also they provide us some data.
Mm,
Our job is to just automate the script using Cypress. And for test data, we put in fixture file
mm,
all the test cases, all the test data which is needed for that one. So
mm.
we always try to do dynamic. You can say
Clear,
scripting, like we never do
clear,
hard code it. Yeah, we put
clear.
all the data
So,
in the fixture folder and we access there. Yeah.
mm, for example, if we search in a commercial website for the number of elements, the number is always changing. If we don't have a special database
Hmm.
that is special for testing,
Correct, correct, exactly,
so
exactly,
we have to write our tests that must be dynamic.
exactly. So see what we'll do. In that case, we'll try to create one fixture folder.
Mm.
You know how to use fixture?
No.
I think yes. Last week I explained to Chandra. Correct, Chandra? Fixture folder.
Ah,
Yeah, yeah, yes.
so
That's
I will see
quite
that.
fun.
See that in this room. And if I have a question, I will ask. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sure. So
Okay.
yeah, you can ask to me. See, this is the fixture folder.
Mm,
Okay. Now, in
mm,
this case, what I'll do, I'll put the number here. Some number, like for
mm.
example, like wise. Here, if you
Any
see,
data you need to test with, you
yeah,
put in this fixture file. Mm.
exactly, yeah. This is fixture file. Now, this is the length, correct?
Okay.
My HRA
Okay.
footer length. So what I do, I just put here footer length, for instance.
La, clear. And in the test, we will read from the fixture file. We will
Exactly,
do assertion with that data. Okay. Mm,
exactly. So what I'll do, I'll just put here 13, for example. This is dynamic. You can change from here only.
mm. Oh, clear.
Okay. Yeah,
Mm,
yeah. So what I'll do in this Amazon dot, I just define in a describe fixture like cy dot fixture. My fixture name is what? If you see carefully, example dot JSON, correct?
yes.
Yeah. JSON file. Fixture file always contain in JSON format.
Mm,
Okay. Now I'll use here the callback function. Use data here. Then should be there.
mm.
Can use instead of data, I can use app data. I can define the variable here also.
Mm.
Now instead of this 13, I can use this is
Data dot
footer no?
footer lab.
Yeah,
Mhm.
data dot.
Clear.
Okay, now I'll just run this one
Mm.
and see
If
what happens.
the database will change, we will change only in the
Pardon?
examples.json. Clear. If we have any modification in our website, then we have to modify only the JSON file.
Yeah. See, the commercial website like Amazon, it always the data always get changed.
Yes.
Correct.
Mm.
So
Yes.
likewise, we need to make dynamic in that case. Okay.
Clear.
So for to
Clear.
make dynamic, so we have to use fixer file only.
Mm.
The reason is like that, if you have scripting containing hard coded elements and that contain like
Mm.
more than 1,000, like, so where you get change, correct?
Mm.
So instead of that, you
Yes.
just go to your JSON file, check it out. Now, what is the footer now length? So change to
Mm.
now. As of now, it's getting displayed 13, but tomorrow
Mm.
we don't know. It's 13 might be 14. So no need to
Yes.
change there only. We have to put 14 here.
Yes, that's clear.
Yeah. First run it, and once you run it now, like if your data gets changes, like if you change like 13 to 14 or 15, if you run,
Mm.
so it get fail. It's saying that now my data is not 13, it's 15 now.
Mm.
So instead of that, going to check every file, just go to fixture file and change to 15 years.
Okay, clear.
Got it?
Got it. That's clear. Thank you.
Yeah. Now if I run this one, see the result now. What result I'm getting now? Now see the file get failure. Can you see?
Mm.
See cannot call see a feature outside a running test. Can you see?
Mm.
So what will
So
you do in that case?
the declaration of the fixture file must be
Hmm.
so we put the line 5 inside the test.
Okay. If I
Inside the
yeah if I put this inside the test
mm.
like this, correct? Now if I run this, now again it's saying cannot read property or define.
Data footer line.
Okay. Again I am having one thing like if I use this dot data, if I run this one, see what result I am getting now. See again it's saying that cannot read property or undefined data.
Mm.
So what do you think? Why I am not getting the result?
Maybe because we have to close the line 10
Hmm.
must be at the end.
Okay, must be at the end. Okay, got it. Here, correct?
Normally it's correct.
Now see now. Now see again.
Mm. Same.
If I remove this now, because no need to use this, correct? As of now, because this is inside this
Because
only.
we are at the same
Yeah, it's the same in page.
mm.
Now we'll run this one. See,
That's
13.
mm.
Got it?
Mm.
Now, suppose I'm having 10 test cases it block.
Mm.
Okay, and in each block I want to use dynamic data, and that data
So
should be in fixture file.
I have to declare the fixture
Outside there,
outside the test it outside of it.
but right
No.
now I am using outside the it, but I am facing the air.
Yes, there is or but like that we have to declare it in every test. We will declare this line in every test.
But
That's it.
it is more tedious na to write on the fixture file in every each block.
Mm.
See, basically why we use automation testing to reduce our work, to optimize our work, correct?
Yes.
But instead of optimizing, again we are doing the hard working, putting CVR feature in each and every hit block. So it's very tedious.
Mm. Yes.
So what is the solution for this one? Any idea?
Uh, no.
No? Okay. What do you say, Mona? Oh, sorry, Chandana. What do you say?
I think before close we use
Okay.
usually.
Uh,
Before what?
Before and we can use the fixture there.
the hooks.
Hooks. Yeah, exactly, exactly,
Mm.
exactly. We have hooks.
Mm.
How many hooks we have? Before, before
After.
each, after each.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
So yeah, correct. Exactly. So what I'll do, I'll try to put this in before hook. Okay. So I'll write on here before. Okay. Now this fixture is the before hook.
Mm.
So I am now running it. Now tell me it's working or not.
So we.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Now you can make as many as 8 block you can make. It will work.
Mm. Clear.
This is use of fixture here. Got it?
Yes.
So now our test cases get optimized and also dynamic. So like this, like in this case, select your address. I have written 1 year. Change it to like use the dynamic one. So what I'll use
Mm.
len. No, select your address. Select address len. I'll use. So I go to example.
Yes.
I just put comma here. Double quote. Select your address length. Sorry, length length. That should be one, correct? It's showing me,
Two apostrophe. Two.
yeah, so also we need. Again now for second data is like, yeah, the this footer length 4 is there, no?
Oh. Mm.
So select footer length. This one is 4. Sorry. Okay, now just copy this one. Select your length. Go here. This is your data. Okay, first see what happened. In the fixture folder, what happened? This is example of JSON file. Whatever data is there inside this example of JSON file, we are fetching using then function. Okay, and that
Mm.
data comes in your f data. This is a variable you define here. Now what you are doing, you are just whatever f data which contain your example JSON files data, you just assign to data. And I am defining about describe this data here. Now this data contain all the data inside the example.json file. Now I am accessing the data. Now once you are accessing the data, so here you can see lots of number of data available here. So which data you want to access? So you have to put the data name. Like if you want to access name,
Mm.
put your name dot data. If you want to access this name, hello Cypress, I have used that email one. If you want this one, use body one. So if I want to select this one, so use select your length here.
Okay.
Go here, just write on here data dot here. For this fourth, just go there and select your footer length.
Turn up.
Now data dot. It looks good, correct?
Mm.
Also, our data get encrypted. No one can see our data.
Mm.
And yeah, and our data is saved in the fixer file. And you just need to change here.
Yes.
Got it? Now run it.
Yes. But just another question. For Cypress, it's not a good practice to work with page object.
Yeah, it's a good practice. And also we have completed the page object model also.
It's a good practice because I saw some videos in internet that say that with Cypress, uh, um, it's not the better choice to work with page object. I don't know what.
No. Mona, you're talking about POM, correct? Page object model.
Uh,
Yeah. So in the last to last explain, I explained to Chandana how to use page object model and how to use that one. And it is a good practice, you know.
it's a good practice. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
So do you know how to use POM and all? How to create the
Uh,
file, how
uh,
to import, how to
uh,
export?
yes, normally I know that, and I will see the video to revise what I know.
Yeah.
Because I'm used to use that with Selenium. It's a little bit different, but I will see the videos.
Yeah. It's like if you want to explain me, it's very easy, you know.
Mm.
Like for example, like for Amazon.length, if I want to create POM for this one, okay. So what I have to create? I have to create two files here. First one
Mm.
is running file, or you can say the main file which containing the describe and eat block.
Mm.
And the second one is I have to create the page. Okay. For instance, if
Mm.
I take you see, I'm having all the data available here. So what I'll do,
Uh,
in this E2 if I just create one picture page for explaining you. Like what I'll do, I'll just create one folder here by the name of page or pages. Okay.
mm.
Now inside this page is I just written here our
New
name is
class.
like Amazon length, correct? For
Mm.
understanding purpose, I am just writing here Amazon hyphen length
Homepage, Alexa.
page. Like it's a page, no?
Mm.
Page object we can say dot cy dot js. Okay, this is my page object. Got it? And
Mm.
what I'll do, I'll just here in this case comment it. I don't want to change anything here. Okay, now I'll commit all this, you know, I don't want to interrupt in my file here, or even though I'll create another file also without interrupting, without changing this one.
Mm.
This one is amazonland.js, correct? So what I'll do, I'll just copy this one, and here I go into if I just create one folder amazon length dot cy dot js, and in that case I'm just writing here page. Okay, this one is page main file. Okay, now I am just putting all the data here. Now I'll change it. Okay, now first I go to
Mm.
this Amazon here. Okay, this is my page object. like in you can say like it's a class file. Okay, I want to use in my main file. Okay, so I'll create one class here. I just put the name of the class is Amazon Let. This is my class name. Inside this class name, I can call many functions. So first, I've created the class Amazon.let. Now I have to export this class name. So this is a function export default. Put your class name here, Amazon. Yeah. Now in your file, just now you have created uh, Amazon. Where is that one? Yeah, Mageville. Now access that file, correct? So you have to access here this file. So first, what you do first you import export it, and now you are importing it. If you see carefully, I am exporting it. Without exporting, you cannot import. Okay.
Export is like we say it's public. We can access that class from
Yeah, yeah.
another place.
Exactly. Correct. Now you are going to your Amazon page. In this file, you're just going and you're writing here now import from. Now air in your Amazon, correct? Amazon length. So you got page select. Can you see this one? It automatically comes here from pages Amazon length. It's accessing this one. Now create the object for one. So if you want to create object, you can just create one object constant Amazon. Create one object for Amazon obj. Okay, equal to new Amazon length. This is your object you have created just now. This is the format of creating the object. Okay. Now whatever the file you have, this page object, so it we can access this page using this Amazon dot obj.
Object.
Yeah. Now what I'll do, I'll just close this one. I don't want this one. Yeah, save it, and I don't want this example.json right now. Now I'm in this two file. Okay. Now as if now my page object file is empty. Nothing is there. Now what I'll do, I have to create this page object, correct? So I'll keep this describe and this fixture file as it is here. I'll not change it now. Okay, so what I'll do, even though I'll not change this one also. Okay, if you want, I can change it all these things if you want. Okay, I'll just copy this one, visit, and just control X. Go to this page object. I just write down your one method here, like Amazon URL. Yeah, I'm just writing your this one is I paste it. Here you can just write down the return, or you can also write down another way like this also you can return this. In the next line you can write down return this. Okay, this is my Amazon. So now you just check it out whether that object just now you have created Amazon obj it accessing that method or not. So write down here Amazon obj dot. You can see the first line Amazon will get accessing here. Can you see? Click here. Your function name. Now your first Amazon URL is getting selected. Yeah, it's getting accessing here now. Now the second line you have here that books you are just navigating to the second URL HRA books.
Okay, click.
And that should contain this assertion. So you copy this one all this to copy it. Okay, now control X and paste it here and create one method here. Amazon book URL, something whatever name you want to use, you can use as per your choice.
What we are doing now is different from the customized actions. This is not the actions, or
Yeah, this is not action. See,
Ah, okay.
what I'm doing, you know.
Mm. Now it's just the page object model. We are creating some functions to do to to to, to
See,
generic
see,
functions.
yeah, yeah. See what happened, you know, like this line, you know,
Mm.
this line. I'm just put all this thing in this method.
Uh,
Okay, now
just
if
optimization.
yeah, optimization, correct,
If we want to use this code another time, we will just call this function name.
correct, exactly. You just need to call this function name. But
So this is not the actions, the Cypress actions.
no, it's not a separate action. Now see
Okay,
here,
okay,
it's just a calling function. Okay. Now
okay,
here
okay.
in this case, we can see line number 18.
Mm.
You can see here that I have defined this fixture file in this
Outside.
main outside main one, and I have written this one data select in the another page one. So it is not working here.
Yes.
So I have to remove here from this line. This line I have to remove here. And what happened? I have to put here like Amazon. You know, once I am just fetching this one like this Amazon
Like
OBJ.
an attribute.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just book, correct, book. So inside this, I am fetching this one data select like this.
Mm.
Got my point?
Yes.
Yeah, you have to select here.
We pass it as an attribute to the function.
Exactly, exactly. Because our fixture file is in main file only. You will
Yes.
be passing here only.
Yes.
Got it?
Mm. So in line 11, we have to put the name of the.
Yeah, we have to change the name. Amazon book URL, no?
We have to put an attribute name.
Yeah. Uh, One second, no? You can use as select your address.
Clear.
It will be working or not? Tell me.
Normally, yes, it will be working.
Agree? Now, if I run this one, only two command. If I run, I just put comment here. What do you say? It's working or not, Chandra? Chandra, are you getting or not? What I'm saying, what I'm teaching?
Uh, Amazon book URL. Okay, you're passing this variable. Yeah.
No, I am using the data dot select your address here. Okay, from this
Okay.
fixture file, I'm passing here to this function, this selector, and selector length is
Yeah,
anything
yeah.
there.
Mm-hmm.
So what I am saying is working or not. If I save it, run it.
Normally, it's correct.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yes, expected 13. I found 13, so it's correct.
It's working, correct?
Mm.
13 got selected.
Okay.
So like this, we can optimize using page open model.
Why you are using return this?
Good question. Yeah. See here, footer and
The last file.
yeah. One
The
second,
last.
no. One second. Mm,
Tell me this. Mm.
See, if I don't use this return,
Mm.
if I don't use, then what happen? Sometime it's not fetching the method.
Yeah.
That is the reason. Data not found, function not found like this. So it's a habit to make always whenever writing the function inside a class, you use return this. Now it's working fine, but sometimes it
Mm.
doesn't work.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like this, we have to make a habit of writing.
Okay.
Yeah. Even though some you can also write if there is one class, you can use return only return this. So return this is good practice.
Okay.
Yeah. So is it fine? Like so, this one you can optimize your code.
Fine. Clear.
Yeah. Okay then.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. So Mona and Chandra, you do practice using the page optional model. If you find any doubts, let me know. Okay.
You can put this in Git and we clone that. I don't have the link.
Okay. I have given you Git link, correct? Or instead
I
of instead of that, can I put this code in your chat box? Can take it out down.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Put this in WhatsApp. Right? Okay.
Yeah. I just
There is a session tomorrow.
pardon Mona.
Tomorrow we have a session.
Assertion.
No, another
Class.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
or
yeah.
class.
Tomorrow we
Voila.
have class, no? Yeah, same time 9 p.m. Correct,
Okay.
Chandra?
What we will
Yeah. Same time is fine. Yeah.
yes, same time is fine. So what we will see tomorrow?
Uh, yeah. Tomorrow we'll see Cucumber BDD.
Cucumber BDD. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is
Good.
important
And
one, no?
just because I am a little, I didn't assist it in the last session. What is left in all the training? What is the other parts that we will see?
See, we almost completed this picture folder, picture file. We also completed the custom command. We also completed
Okay.
the POM, correct?
Mm.
And
Yeah.
finding locators. So we have completed almost, you can say 80 or 70% we have completed till now.
Nah, okay.
Yeah.
What about the APIs,
Yeah,
Shakil API?
API is remaining, iframe is remaining, Cucumber
Yeah.
BDD is
Okay.
remaining.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you noted
Okay.
down after Cucumber
And
BDD will
is there any way to verify the data? Like for example, we are expecting a bill amount to be 100, but we are not sure it's 100 to hard code. We are fetching it from some other place, like a database or something from a query. Is there any way to link with like that?
You're talking about database testing, correct?
Um,
Like you mean to say,
like for example, I'm checking an bill amount equal to, I should get a value. That value should come from a database, and I
exactly.
have to
So
assert that
yeah,
value.
so that command database testing, Chandra.
Okay.
Yeah, it's another part. Database testing is not in this syllabus,
Okay.
Yeah, in
Yeah.
this syllabus we have web table. Like, yeah, Mona, we also completed the web table, how to automate web table.
Okay, I will see that in the videos.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah, web table we have completed. So we have completed almost. So remaining is like API testing, iframe, and Kukumar BDD.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
yeah. So this one I have sent to you. This copy that one. This one is page, main page, and this one is your
Mm.
object model. Just wait. I have given you Git link, correct?
What?
Git link I have given to you, no? Git, GitHub.
Yeah,
I
I remember like it was not working initially. That link was showing
mm,
not found.
me too. I
Okay,
don't have the
okay.
link.
Tomorrow I'll check it out and let you know.
Hmm.
And this one is your example. Is your fixture folder if you want. Copy that one, okay? Otherwise, after this class, you will not get that one. Let me know once you copy it.
Mm.
So I have sent to you the page object main file, page object model, and fixture file.
Okay, that's okay. For me, I copied that. C'est bon. Just another question, just outside this training. Do you have an example of a test strategy, test automation strategy? Because I see in many interviews they ask about test automation strategy.
Automation strategy, correct?
Mm,
So automation strategy, like they will ask you like they want from you that how you can like what's your strategy in automation, like for example, if they ask to me, so I'll
mm,
explain them. Yeah, my strategy is like I'm using the page object model.
mm,
So if they ask me why you use page object model, so I can tell them, yeah, it's for optimizing and it's a good
mm.
practice.
Okay.
Okay, and second thing they ask, like if suppose we have the client and the client don't have the knowledge of coding,
Mm,
okay, but we want that they can understand what you are doing. So what you do at
mm,
that, what's your strategy at the time? So you
mm.
can
So we work.
explain them, yeah, that we can use the, for that case, we can use the Cucumber BDD framework. So
Mm,
in that Cucumber BDD, we have Jerkin language.
okay.
So by reading Jerkin language, the client can easily understand what you are doing exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. So actually, it's a strategy like they want from you, like as per your
Mm.
experience.
For Cypress, there is the uh, customized commands.
Which
One
command?
of the most the custom we use customized commands.
Yeah, 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 yeah. In the video, you can just check it out. We have also completed the custom command.
Custom commands.
Yeah. Actually, you know why we use custom command?
No, why?
Like there
Not
are,
for optimization.
yeah, it's for optimization. And second thing, that the command. For example, uh, there is one logic. Like for example,
Mm,
if you go to Amazon website
mm,
and you want to select like watches for men.
eh?
Yeah, so you just go to your website, see where visit you use, then you just use the locator for the search box, then you enter some watches for man, then you click the uh, search button.
Mm,
So these three steps is common to all. First one is you have to visit Amazon website.
mm,
Second thing, searching from the text box. And third one is clicking the search button.
mm.
It's for all. If you want to select mobile phone, whatever you want, you these three steps always uses.
We
So
have
what you,
always these
yeah.
steps.
So what you
So
do, yeah, what you do, you
we make
create one,
a
you,
custom command.
yeah. So what you do, you create one custom command.
Mm,
In that custom command comes in the support folder. Inside support folder, you can see custom command. Like if you see
mm.
here, if you go, if I'll explain you here, this, you know,
Okay.
this one is your support folder. Inside support folder, you can
Mm,
see the custom command.
mm,
So this custom command is there, correct?
mm,
Yeah. So in this custom command, you create one custom command. So like they already given to you, you know, cypress
mm.
command and like
There is
this.
example.
Yeah,
Mm,
yeah. So you can use this one, okay? So like whatever the CY visit and the search box and the search button you can put here,
mm,
and you just pass your, for example, if you want to pass watches for man, so watches for man should keep in the fixture folder, and in the main file create one custom command. Can you see this
mm.
login here? Login is a custom command now.
I.
Use
It is
cypress
I.
dot add dot command dot add, and login is your
Mm.
custom command. So in the main file you just use cy dot login custom command.
Clear, clear. I.
Yeah, you can use.
It's a little bit this, not the same, but it's as the page object that we have seen.
It's a page. It's a see the difference of page object model and this custom command is like that. You know, if that whenever learning this custom command, they feel that it's the same for custom command. Why we have custom command even though we use page object model,
Mm.
correct?
Yes.
But the reason
I.
is here, like in page object model, we create class and inside class we create the functions.
Mm.
Like if our locator get changed, we can just go to that particular function and change the locator for
Mm.
maintenance purpose, correct? In
Yes.
custom command we use particular scenario which oftenly used.
Mm.
Like there is no need to create again and again, you know.
I.
So already
So
yeah. So in custom command, when use custom command, there is no need to use import, export, object, and all this stuff
Yes.
which page object needed. So
More simple.
yeah, so already SAP has given us custom command without using object, without using your import, export, and everything. So why you create
Mm.
that one? But yes, in case if you want to use custom command in page object model, in that
I.
case you have to create import, export, and uh, import, export, and you have to create the object also in custom command.
Mm.
If you are dealing with page object plus custom command plus fixture.
Mm. Mm.
But there is one scenario that there is no need to use page object, only custom command. So there is no need to use object, export, import, everything, you know.
Yes.
Got my point?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
so we can just define our selectors in custom command and just return, and we can directly use that,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
That
yeah.
looks.
We use now, Chandra.
Mm,
We use now for selecting the watches for man.
yeah.
Yeah, we just passing the locator in that, and we just passing the elements, item and all.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Right.
That's clear.
Yeah. Okay then, guys. We'll meet tomorrow, and before we start tomorrow, just try to install Cucumber BDD at your end. Let me know if you find any difficulties.
Okay. We will search for that. How
Yeah,
to install
yeah. See, you can just
Kubernetes.
in Google. Just I'll give you one hint. You can try that one. There is
Okay.
one Cucumber BDD by Bade Ball.
We can search for that.
Yeah, but you can find many things. Something is it
Okay.
will not work. So I'm just see Google.
Can you please send the link in the chat, please? Because
Yeah,
this, if I
can you see
close
my
it, then.
yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Mm.
See cucumber, BDD. You can see this one.
Just a moment, I will
Cypress.
write.
Or you can use install cucumber BDD. See, can you see body ball Cypress processor? One May 2023, latest one. I'll share you this
Hmm.
link.
Okay.
Just go through it and let me know if you
Okay.
install this one or not at your end. See, got it?
Yes. It's not a link. You didn't send the link.
Yeah, I'll send you the link also. It's npm like this.
Just copy link.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Okay, Shakil, I have to disconnect the call now. And Mona, we can see tomorrow. Okay.
Sure,
Okay.
sure, sure.
Have a good
I
evening.
will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Bye. Take
will
care.
Bye.
do.
Bye. Take care.
But, just I will copy the link.
Yeah, copy more on this one.
Okay. Just a
Okay.
moment.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. Copy.
Okay then.
Just a moment.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
That's okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, then we'll meet on same time.
So okay. So see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Yeah.
Have a nice time.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.
Salut.
Bye. Bye. Take care.